Alchemist Institute offers online, offline coaching for CSIRnet, GATE and IITJAM for Chemical Science. It has been designed to start with basic to advanced learning, which covers all the important topics. Features of the course: online learning through Android app and offline coaching also available. Lectures by subject-wise expert faculty members. Selective and effective study to target CSIRnet June 2022, GATE 2023 and IITJAM 2023. Revised syllabus will be covered according to recent trend and patterns of examinations. The assessment of performance is done on regular basis through topic-wise tests based on actual exam pattern, which are followed by discussions. Teachers' notes, practice assignment and doubt solution will also be provided. Accommodation facility also available. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up. Only limited seats are available. To know about fee structure and any further information, you can contact us.